Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's up? Oh my god. So, in the garage, a whole bunch of stuff going on here. Got some good news and some bad news. So let me see if I can demonstrate. There's pretty good little bit of light there. A little bit. I don't. But the big issue. I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not, but that's actually in the closed position. I'll show you what a good one looks like. That these are questionable. I'll still have to lap all these valves, but these over here are a little messed up from the timing belt jumping. Here, closed. There you go. My Subaru story. Ah.